Hello everybody, guess what I've got? It just came in from our friends at UPS. This is a box, and there's something cool in this box. By the way, I'm Jeb Blount. I'm the author of Fanatical Prospecting and Sales EQ and Inked. And check this out, the author of the brand new book called Selling the Price Increase. I love getting new books. This is like the best day for an author when you get to unbox your brand new book. And in this book, you're going to get the most comprehensive look at selling B2B price increases that's ever been written. In fact, this is the only book on the market on selling price increases. And inside this book, I'm going to give you a complete system. I'm going to give you scripts. I'm going to give you messages and narratives that you can use to get customers to buy into price increases without losing the customer or losing their orders. Along with that, I'm going to teach you how to deal with price increase objections, how to negotiate price increases, basically every single thing that you need to successfully sell price increases. So if you're an individual, go to Amazon or Barnes & Noble or CEO 800 or wherever you buy books, go there right now, get this book. And if you're a sales leader or an executive and you want to drop more to your bottom line, go get this book and get it for your entire sales team, because this book will teach you exactly how to sell price increases. So happy, the very first book out of the box. Go buy it.